Yo, Atlanta Police, stop. Stop.
What?
Because you have an open container of alcohol. In public, you can't have an open container of alcohol. Give me your alcohol. Give me your ID. Your ID.
I don't have it on me.
Where's your ID?
I left it at home.
How old are you? Not 21.
Yeah.
Right. I can have you arrested right now. I should arrest you. How old are you? You're 19?
Yes, sir.
Right. Step over here. You ever been issued a Florida ID?
Yes, sir.
What do you do for work?
I work at a warehouse.
You spilled my coffee, you're gonna owe me now.
My bad.
You're not free to leave, okay?
I'm not under arrest, am I?
No, you're being detained.
Does that mean cuffs?
No. What's your social? What are you doing at the mall?
I'm just walking around trying to shop. Have a good time while I'm on the weekend, you know? It's an honest mistake. I understand.
Okay. You're not trying to pick up anybody?
No, sir.
Okay.
I mean, women, yeah. Just having a good time.
You think it's appropriate to walk up to a group of young girls and ask their ages right away?
I was just trying to verify their age before I
I looked at them. You don't think they were definitely minors?
I didn't intend to.
Right. You don't look like a minor.
Yeah.
You've got a sleeve of tattoos.
Yeah.
That tells me you're at least above 18.
Yeah. It's my mistake. I was trying to verify
You
their
don't
age
think that's kind of
before
weird?
I approached them. Yeah. I understand. I was just trying to verify their age before I approached them. You know?
That's how you approach women nowadays? You just go up to them and ask them how old they are? Straight up?
Yeah, so I don't have to, I don't want to be in the wrong there, you know?
Oscar 356 on cell type. 29P my number.
Go ahead. Stand by.
Echo 81 on the list.
Stand by. Echo 81 on
You ever
the
been arrested? No? You going to school or anything or what?
Yeah, I'm trying to go to school for
You trying or you what?
I'm trying, man. It's not that easy.
For what vehicle?
Yankee 45 to Quebec Echo. The white Lexus.
That's a law.
It's not showing in the hill road.
Just running on wants and wants to make sure you don't have any crazy warrants or anything like that. And I'm going to get you out of here with just a verbal warning on the alcohol, okay? I'm going to suggest you don't approach women in that manner.
Yes, sir.
Or you can approach women however you want.
Yeah.
Children, that's weird. And that's when I got an issue with it.
Okay.
You understand that?
I understand.
Those were children.
Yeah.
Vehicle is off Bravo 55. It's going to be a red Chevy. It's going to have a tag of Quebec, Kilo Lima, November 83 out of Florida. As the southbound over the car. Millenia, AM 55, Sebastian Roman.
I'm also giving you a warning for your possession of alcohol being under 21.
Bravo 12, my colleague.
Appreciate that.
Bravo 12. You probably at 28, 29 out of Florida. Go with the test. 97 Bravo, Lima Mike Echo.
Where you parked at?
I came here through Uber.
Through an Uber?
Yes.
171-04-0080. What was the letter?
How are you gonna get home?
Uber back.
Where you live?
I live in near the McCoy area on the east side. You know where that is?
You Ubered from there over here?
Yes.
Didn't come back.
I was just trying to find a new mall, you know.
97 Bravo, Lima Mike Echo.
Where'd you get the alcohol from?
Me, from a friend.
Oscar
That's
356.
21. We were clubbing yesterday, and he had left it in my house. So I just
Sebastian Roman, it's 54, not appearing, valid ID card.
Got it. Alright, man, this is what I'm gonna suggest. I'm gonna suggest you leave the mall, okay?
Yeah, I'll leave
that
the
way
mall.
we don't get any more issues about you.
Yeah.
You don't get into any trouble. You're already intoxicated. You're out here, you're doing dumb things, approaching young women.
Yeah.
Okay? Or young girls.
That's the exit, right?
There's an exit over there, there's an exit over here.
Okay.
So you
I'll
choose.
leave this.
Yep. Oscar 356. Show me out with the 13 Papa inside the mall on 10-4. Hello. Hello.
Alright, I'll be on my way now.
Hey, Sebastian, before you go, you're free to leave and everything. You have anything on you that would, drugs, guns, bombs, anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay.
I
You mind if
smoked
I,
earlier, though.
so you have some weed on you?
No, not anymore.
Okay. You mind if I conduct a search of your person real quick?
I don't think you can.
I'm asking.
No.
What do you have inside your bag?
Just some stuff that I need to get home.
Okay. Do you mind showing me?
No, I don't have to.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Nope. Next time I see you here,
Okay.
I see it. It's a jar, and it's got a little bit of weed in it.
Okay.
You think I'm
I just
dumb?
finished it.
Okay.
With the...
Is that what's inside your bag?
Yeah. That's it.
Just the weed?
Yeah.
Okay. Take off your bag. Don't resist. You're going to make it a lot worse than you need to. Take off your bag.
Sir, please.
Don't make this worse. Get out of here. Get out of here. Signal 43. Signal 43. Signal 43 from Millenia. White male. White Hispanic male running. He's going towards Millenia Boulevard. He's got a gun. He's just shot at me.
Signal 43. Oscar 356. Mount Millenia.
He's running. He's going towards Millenia Convoy. Hotel Mike. White shirt, blue jeans. He got a black hand bag. He pulled out a black Signal 0. He's in the Bay parking lot.
Get chased. Get chased. Crowds in alive. north through the center of the complex.
I lost eyes on him.
Give the officer the channel.
He just crossed Conroy right now. He's got to be somewhere around here. I'm in a foot pursuit with him.
You stay where you last saw him and I'll set it up.
Stop, stop, go! Holy fuck. Bitch just shot at me. Yo! He must have just crossed somewhere around here. He's a hotel Mike. Black hair. No facial hair, tattoos. White. He's got tattoos all on his right arm.
Where are you?
I'm at Conroy and Water Garden. Conroy and Water Garden. Hey, he's shooting at us right now. He's at the Olive Garden.
Keep talking to us.
We're exchanging gunfire in Olive Garden.
Get chase. Get chase. Flag is running north through the center of the complex.
I lost eyes on him.
Give the officer the channel.
He just crossed Conroy right now. He's got to be somewhere around here. I'm in a foot pursuit with him.
You stay where you last saw him and I'll set it up.
Yo, where is he? Where is he?
Yo!
Where?
Just crossed somewhere around here.
What's he look like?
He's a hotel Mike. Black hair. No facial hair, tattoos.
What color's his shirt?
White.
He
He's got tattoos all on his right arm.
Hey, you see a guy running?
Where are you?
I'm at Conroy and Water Garden. Conroy and Water Garden.
Jesus Christ. Hey! Get down! Everybody get down! Get down! Get down! Everybody get back! Get back! He's over there! Behind the white SUV! White SUV!
We're in a gunfight right now.
He's behind the white SUV! White SUV! Move up! Move up!
He's down.
Move up!
He's down.
Hold on, step by.
Take cover.
Watch the car. Somebody
Go.
take the car.
Where is he? Where is he?
Come all the way in. Get the Olive Garden.
He's down.
Stand by. Stand up.
Hey, get Andy out of here.
Hold on.
He's 7 obvious.
We're in front
We're in front of Olive Garden in the parking lot. Olive Garden in the parking lot. 415, give me the channel. I need all units to shut down traffic on Millenia. Going in front of the mall.
Hey, set it up.
Hey, go park over there. Don't let any cars through this way.
Get over to a channel.
God damn, bro.
Leave it here for now.
Someone's fucking chasing somebody. Don't speak on the goddamn radio. Fuck.
Hey, check back. Make sure they hit nobody, guys. Check that way. Make sure. Hey, check the restaurant. The bullets went in the window, guys.
I got it right here.
Get it clean down Conroy.
You good, man?
Come on.
Where's your car?
I'm back at the mall.
You want Conroy shut down that car?
Get in this Tahoe and hang out.
You alright?
I'm good, man.
Hey, Green, can you get another channel for the
You shot
traffic?
that too?
I shot him.
Okay. But your gun is still out?
Yeah.
Decock it?
Decock? Holster? Alright. You okay?
Yeah.
1217, 1214.
Hey, can we get tape? Start taping it off? Erica, you got him? Where's your truck at? Right there. Let's go sit in your truck. You got water? You got a drink?
Yeah, I got it.
1215, 1214.
Good.
I'm going to go see if you can take the other channel and shut down the traffic, please.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, this is me. You shot at me.
I'm going to take the officer involved. We'll remain on scene, but I see something like here.
Go relax.
Sorry. Lock your car, put him in your car. You warned him. 10-12 was in.
Yeah, I shot a return fire.
It's okay. You're all right. Come.
1215, that go ahead. We still need the signal 43.
We still need a 43.
We got to have the clear.
Everybody else is coming to 18. You can slow down. We have plenty of cops here.
We do not need the 46. I need the ingress that's inside the Olive Garden to open up. We need to get units in here. Where's my van? Order to father. Control 15, 1217.
I'm still rolling. Let's keep
Let's
rolling.
get clear.
Turn it off. You're good. We can talk about anything, alright?